So I was shocked to discover, I overheard a conversation that you don't take a penny and you actually have a full-time job.
Yes, it's true. It's not a full-time job, but it's a job that basically covers me for full-time all year round. I basically work a few weeks of the year because I do the buying for this company, S&W.
And this you started long time ago, much before Bonei Olam.
Much before Bonei Olam. But I basically gave up almost 10 months of work, and I devoted my life to Bonei Olam, but I remained their buyer. So
and that's your paycheck?
It's hard, but the bottom line is that Abu Hashem was never to take a penny from Bonei Olam.
So you're a shliach in an organization that raised so far be'erich $250 million,
yes,
and you did not take a penny.
No, and I hope Hashem is going to help that this should continue forever.
Childless will appreciate it, I'm sure.
I hope so.
I'm sure.
I hope so.